Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming whether your save is backed up to Nintendo Switch Online, because once deleted it may be unrecoverable. Once you've checked backup status, make sure the console is charged or plugged in. Now go straight to System Settings, scroll to Data Management, and select Delete Save Data for software. You're starting the only reliable method on console. This step targets the specific game's saved data rather than reinstalling or formatting the whole system. You select the exact game in the software list because deletion is per title. Once chosen, pick Delete Save Data and the system shows which user profiles hold saves. Choose the profile S to remove. Make sure you read the confirmation prompts. They list that cloud backups may remain for online subscribers, but local saves are erased. If multiple users saved progress, repeat for each profile. This method directly removes game save files without affecting installed game data. You finish by launching the game to confirm no saved data remains. A new profile should start fresh. If you need to erase everything on the console, use System, Formatting Options, Initialize to fully reset. Note this removes all users and software. If a delete action fails, restart the switch and try the Delete Save Data flow again, and temporarily remove the micro SD card if saves are stored externally. This troubleshooting step resolves most interruption or storage recognition.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.